What's up, guys? My name is Michael, and today I booked a flight to the United States. Again, I've been there in 2013, which is quite a long time ago right now. And we are gonna go there again with my girlfriend, and we want to take a lot of pictures. We will go there mainly for photography, but we also want to film a lot, do something for my YouTube channel, and we will be there from April 16th until May 4th. If you live in California, Utah, Nevada, or Arizona, got my notes over there. If you live in one of these states, leave a comment, drop us a line, because we would like to meet some people over there who can show us around, who we can talk to about photography, and who can give us some little hints and show us their city. And that would be great. So if you live there, if you have time, drop us a comment. If not, stay tuned, because we will do a lot of filming and do a lot of photography over there. I will bring my Fuji, I will bring my vlogging setup with me. We will cut the videos while we're on the road. At least that's the plan, but you know these plans can change. So whatever. Feel free to give us some hints if you have already been in these states, where to go and what to see and what to expect. That's all for now. Have a nice day.